Hey everybody, it's David here, and I have for you guys some more mod updates. I've been working on this one for a while now, getting these things kind of fine-tuned and working properly with the server. And I guess I'll just turn around and show you what they are. They are NPCs. Oh my god, NPCs. Um, these are a new mod that I'm installing, and they're kind of a combination of several mods. The main two being Citizens, which is an NPC mod, and Economy, which adds like economy sort of system to Minecraft. So basically, what we have here is a sort of merchant. We have different kinds of merchants and stuff like that. Now, these are kind of the three main ones. There are other ones that I'm not going to get into right now, but these are kind of the three main ones you guys will see most often. The blacksmith, he repairs your tools. You pay him a fee based on what the tool is made out of and how damaged it is. He's going to charge you a little different. So yeah, all you have to do is right click on him to select, and then you right click on him one more time, and he's whatever broken tool you're holding in your hand, he will repair. This wooden spade that was about a third of the way down cost me $5.25 or 25 coin to repair. Now diamond things are going to be more expensive. This diamond pickaxe is barely damaged, and it cost me $10 to fix, just because diamonds tools are just that much more expensive to fix, but it's worth it. For the most part, like repairing your tools on a regular basis would be cheaper than buying the diamonds from merchants or buying new pickaxes. Second one is a straight up merchant. This is an example that I set up. He is a wool merchant. He sells different dyes and stuff like that, and he'll also buy wool and dyes from you. So if I wanted to buy wool, all I gotta do is click, just pick the wool and click on it, and you'll see down here in the lower left hand corner it says what I clicked on, how much it costs. So the first time you click on it, doesn't actually buy something. You got to keep clicking on it to confirm, and then you just keep clicking, and you're just buying stuff up like crazy. And you can also sell it back to him the same way. You click, he tells you how much he's going to buy it from you for in the lower left hand corner here, and you just keep clicking and he'll buy it back. And it's the same thing with everything in his inventory. You buy this dye and wools, and this is true for every merchant. Any merchant you see, you do the same thing. You right click on them to select, and then you just pick what you want, or sell them what they will buy from you, because not all merchants will buy everything. They only buy certain things. So yeah, that is merchant. And then the guard, last one is the guard. Guards are pretty self-explanatory. They just kind of sit there, and when dangerous mobs come by, they run out and attack them. I don't think I need to show you guys that. I'm sure you'll be able to see that in the future. Now here's the thing with this mod. I didn't just install this mod so we could start throwing NPCs willy-nilly everywhere. NPCs, I'm only going to put them in certain areas, and these certain areas is actually up to you guys. It has nothing to do with me, because I want to do a sort of contest here for the server. Basically what I want you guys to do is to build a place for NPCs. Build cities, build towns, build villages, build markets. Wherever, if it's the kind of like if you build it, they will come mentality. So merchants, or I will put down merchants where you guys build things. Now I'm not going to put down like merchants for everything just because you built a little market. Merchants are going to come to where is appropriate. So if you build a blacksmith, if you build a smithy, a blacksmith will come. If you build a like a food market or something like an open air market, you're probably going to get a bunch of food merchants. So it's specific to what you guys build, and there's a lot of different kinds of merchants that I have come up with, that other people have come up with, a lot of different kinds of NPCs. And I'm not going to tell you guys exactly what is required of each NPCs, but I think you guys can figure it out. And I want that to be a part of the challenge, is to figure out what you guys want to build, what you guys want to make will attract different NPCs. So that's the basis of that. Is these new NPC mods. Now you'll notice that most of these guys just look like Steve. These are all like the basic Minecraft Steve skins. Now here's the other thing about this mod. The guard here is actually, this is actually a built-in skin in Minecraft. You never see it because it's kind of buried deep in the jar file. But this is actually a built-in skin. That's why we can actually view him the way we can. Actually, I don't know if you guys knew this, Notch is a built-in skin as well, and so is Jeb. So you can actually, we can summon in NPCs that look like Notch if I name them Notch. But for the most part, NPCs are gonna look like Steve. Now this doesn't have to be. There's another mod that I can install called Spout. Now Spout is more than just a little mod. It is a whole user client. So basically what Spout does is it changes your home client and it allows the server you're connecting to install packets on your jar file. So if there are some crazy mods, like in this case, if I put on some mods that will add skins to NPCs, the server would have to upload them to your clients so that you guys can see them. And so without Spout, you guys would never, everyone would just look like Steve. And we can do this with lots of mods. Spout's fairly new, but people are really starting to build with it, starting to like add more and more things using Spout, and it's very, very useful. We can add UI elements, we can change the way the game looks with Spout, but it's all dependent on whether you guys want this or not. Now these NPCs can stay looking like Steve, it's really no skin off my back, but if you guys want them to have custom skins, if you guys like this idea, then we can go with the Spout route, and it would kind of have to be a server-wide we would all kind of have to collaborate on this, because at a certain point, if we're using Spout, it's going to be hard for people using vanilla Minecraft to connect to the server. Things would be weird, especially if we start adding different mobs and stuff like that. We won't be able to see them. So using something like Spout is a real game changer for everyone. And on the same vein, I don't know if you guys know, but there is a very popular mod out there called Mo Creatures that adds new mobs to the game and adds new hostile mobs, adds new passive mobs. It's a great mod. I've used it in my single player pretty much since it's been created. And recently the developer has developed it for multiplayer. Now, like Spout, this requires, Mo Creatures requires both a client-side mod and a server-side mod. So if we wanted to add Mo Creatures to the game, everyone would have to be on board with this. Nobody could still be playing vanilla Minecraft, because there would be all these creatures that basically they cannot see, but they can still affect the. It would look weird and it'd be complicated, but these are things to think about. These are things I need you guys to comment on. Tell me what you think, what you guys want this server to be, because this is like a big group effort. We want to make this server fun for everybody, and modding it is one great way to do that. So that's about it. And if you guys have any comments, which I hope you do, I hope you guys comment the crap out of this, please post them on Facebook right under this video, and we can discuss. We can figure out what we want to do in the near future with these mods, what we want to add. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for Mo Creatures, as have I, to be released for multiplayer. So yeah, let me know. Let everyone else know. Let the other moderators know. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.